Pretty rare conditions for Serbia. A heavy snowfall. Let's go. I'm not that strong person to resist to conditions like this. Absolutely spectacular. It makes me excited, actually. I do worry about my gear under this snow, but I can't resist. This is the city beach. We got umbrellas here, and in summer here are some nice bars with cocktails and all that stuff. We've got a marina with yachts and boats, and I just love this emptiness in the distance. I cannot see any difference between sky and the river except this line of the marina. But now, instead of yachts, instead of boats and cocktails, we've got this. Snowmen. Several snowmen by the beach, which is such a rare situation here in Serbia. And for conditions like this, to capture the falling snow in the frame, I have to use a relatively fast shutter speed. Now I'm shooting at 1/400, and as I can see on the screen of my camera, this is fast enough to get this falling snow freezed in my frames. I'm not sure if you can see this beautiful texture in the water. The sand under the water makes this beautiful pattern, and I believe it's gorgeous. It's phenomenal. To shoot during these type of conditions, you have to realize all the risks. You have to be very honest answering this question: is your gear waterproof? I'm not sure about mine. That's why I'm here under the snowy umbrella, pretending I'm just chilling on the beach. I just need some kind of cocktail here on this table. I just need Aperol Spritz. Nobody's here. No Aperol Spritz. Just snow. Hello, Houston, we got a problem. Thanks to all this snow reflecting all this light, it's not that dark. And according to compositions, you don't have to worry, because photography is not about taking beautiful pictures anymore, because any AI model could make beautiful image faster than you, and let's be honest, this picture would be probably more beautiful than yours. So in this situation, we don't have to compete with AI models, because photography in the first place is about having fun. ChatGPT and Gemini and Nana Banana, they couldn't have fun instead of you. I'm pretty sure you also got some place to walk in the place you live. So go outside and have fun with your camera, have a good time, spend your vacations or just the only day off you got with some fun. No matter what conditions you have, no matter what place you live, you can have fun everywhere, anytime. We are all human. Having fun is our thing, you know. There are no AI models for that. Nothing can help you with this instead of you. Actually, I do like these street lights under this snowfall. This looks beautiful. I love the contrast between the warm light inside the bulbs and the cold environment. The snowfall, ouch! The snowfall has calmed down, but actually it turns to some kind of icy rain, and it's pretty dark, but with lights, with always snow, with always drops and frost, look gorgeous. According to settings, for sure I have to raise my ISO, and now I'm using 2500 ISO to be able to shoot in these conditions with no tripod.